Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is NBHM 2023 limit. Okay, this problem is coming NBHM 2023 limit problem. So limit n tends to infinity root over 1, root over 2, root over 3. This product from can be written limit n tends to infinity just divided root over 1 plus root over 2, okay, root over 2 plus root over n divided by root over n and into root over cube root of 1 plus cube root of 2 plus cube root of n divided by n to the power 1/3, and this equation, and this is the another is divided by 1 to the power 1 by 6 plus 2 to the power 1 by 6 plus by 6 divided by n to the power 1 by 6 and 1 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus n to the power 2 by 3 divided by n to the power 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So friends, when we add this total, this value and this value and this value, that we power is same. So now I can write this way: limit n tends to infinity, okay, 1 by n it can be written root over 1 by n plus root over 2 by n plus up to root over n by n. This is, and another is 1 by n whole to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 by n whole to the power 1 by 3 and plus up to n by n whole to the power 1 by 3. So this way, and I can write divided 1 by n is equal to 1 by n whole to the power 1 by 6, 2 by n whole to the power 1 by 6 up to plus n by n whole to the power 1 by 6. Similarly friends, I can write this way 3, this way up to n by n to the power 2 by 3. Now friends, everyone know that Riemann limit theory, Riemann, okay, Riemann problem. So I can write this way: everyone can write Riemann. So limit n tends to infinity, if we get, so it is the Riemann equation 0 to 1 x to the root over x dx and 0 to 1, because this is the Riemann limit problem. So this formula x to the power 1 by 6 dx and into 0 to 1 x to the power 2 by 3 dx. Okay, so we can write that 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 6, the value is 2 by 3 into 3 by 4, okay, 2 by 3 into 3 by 4, and this value can be written that 6 by 7, okay, 6 by 7 into 3 by 5. So we get the value 3 is cut and 2 is cut, it is 2. So 35 by 36. So my answer is 35 divided by 36. Thanks for watching. I hope you can understand my work.